Toyota Celica. We are heading now westbound. DC, head on into another vehicle.
6-7, you just pulled back, headed north onto Woodward. Looks like he has a tire out as well.
Okay, 6 will be primary.
Turning into the Myers parking lot. Just crashed out. Get your fucking hands up! Back up! Get your fucking hands up and stay there!
There he goes. Plate's going to be Cal personalized. Edward. Ida Ocean Nora Dislage. Speeds are at about 80. Traffic conditions are light. Oh, TC. Roll med aid. Lanada.
Okay, approaching Myrtle, lights red, it's going to be passing on the right. 901.
Do you suspect me of a crime?
You have no license plate.
Do you suspect me of a crime where my baby?
You have to identify yourself under the Highway Traffic Act.
No, I do not. I just proved in court I do not have to identify myself to a police officer.
Why not?
Because because I'm a freeman on the land, number one. And number two, you guys suspect me of criminal activity to detain me. So, yes, you do. I don't care what your Highway Traffic Act says, that's the law.
You have to identify yourself under the Highway Traffic Act.
Do you suspect me of a crime, sir?
No.
Am I free to go?
Official offense. No, you're not.
So you're going to detain me?
If you don't identify yourself, I'm going to arrest you.
For what? I've done anything criminally wrong. But that's not a criminal act. You only have authorization to detain somebody if they've done something criminally wrong. I don't care what your Highway Traffic Act says. I have no contracts under the act. I've canceled them all, so you can't enforce it on me.
Okay, are you going to tell me your name?
No, I'm not. I don't have to. That's my right.
Okay, I'm just waiting for another unit to get
That's
here.
fine. Bring your chief too, because he knows who I am.
Okay, I will.
I know my rights.
You know who you are if you haven't identified yourself.
I'm operating under the Republic of Canada. That's a legal jurisdiction here in Canada. Because Canada's dissolved. Canada's dissolved. I'm also going to hand you this paperwork.
Sure.
Yep. So this officer is accepting the paperwork that we are a criminal organization. So that's on camera. And also, you guys have been involved in kidnapping our child with Children's Aid Society. So here's another legal document because you're involved in kidnapping our child, which is also why we don't comply with your laws, because you guys are thieves to us. You thieved our child from us. So we will not comply or acknowledge you.
Name's not on here either.
No, it's not. It doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be. These are things I'm issuing to you because...
You know who you are.
No, you do not. I just proved that in criminal court, bud. The judge bowed down to me. It took 2 minutes because you're using trust law in the court, and I know it.
Okay.
So because of that, I know I don't have to identify myself to a cop.
Okay.
I know my rights, man. Sorry. I'll stand on them.
I don't think you do.
I do. I've been arrested twice and never been charged. You guys are... I consider you guys a threat to me because you've detained me twice. I have not been convicted in court.
An opportunity to read the Highway Traffic Act.
I don't need to. I canceled my contracts under the Highway Traffic Act. You can't enforce that act on me.
Okay.
I operate under common law jurisdiction of the Republic of Canada.
Okay.
Okay.
I've never heard of it.
Well, you did today, and you should learn. You should learn that your oath to the Queen's nullified and abolished, and you guys don't have authority.
Look, now there's 2 other cruisers here.
I don't care. I'm standing for my rights, man. Plain and simple. Bring them all. Bring your whole force. I am not intimidated at all, man.
Okay.
I know my rights. Don't open my door.
I need you to identify yourself.
No, you don't. You have no right to open my door.
He's a sovereign citizen. He won't identify himself. So, are you going to identify yourself?
I do not have to, Your Honor.
Okay. Take it.
Open my door. You have no right to fucking touch me. You guys have kidnapped our child.
Lock him in.
Nope, I'm leaving. Don't get in front of me. You're pulling your gun on me? Okay, he's pulling his gun on me. Everybody, I have not done anything criminally wrong. He's pulling his gun on me. No. No.
Turn it off now.
It's off. Parking brakes on. I'm no threat.
Car door.
I'm no threat. They're pointing their guns at me just because I don't have the right plates on my car. That's why.
Ready to grab it.
You guys don't have this authority. You're gonna break my window. Don't. I'll open my door. Don't. Ow! Asshole! What the hell?
Get out of the car now.
Okay, they just broke my glass. See that? Beautiful. Good job.
Get out of the
I'm
fucking
getting
car
out.
now.
I have nothing on me. Ow, you're gonna cut me. Don't. Oh.
Red light at... Is you? Probably on TC. TC, starting in